Hello folks, Dr. Kevin Polk here to give you the parts list for the bee project we're doing. I've labeled this as the 2019 bee project. You can do it any year, but you got to start in the spring. That's the nature of beekeeping. What you see up on the video is an order list that I created at betterbee.com. I am not affiliated with them. They're just a great northern beekeeping company. And what I mean by that is if you live in the deep south, it's still honeybees, but the context that you're working in is a whole lot different. You got 3 or 4 less months of winter down there. So up here, we've really got to be ready for winter, and betterbee.com knows how to do that. As I said, I'm not affiliated, but they're really nice people. Check them out. Here's the list. We'll start here with the thing that you will be putting bees into in April. Got to order those bees. And that's a complete double nuke deep that you order. It comes unassembled, so you must put it together. But all you need is a hammer, and they give you the nails. So just get your hammer out, and 4 long screws that they don't include to attach the bottom board onto the larger hive body there. So because you want that, believe me. So do all that, and you'll get all that done. That's a pretty easy project. It's just nails and 4 screws. So you'll have that all together. By the way, you will also need to order a cover for that. It comes with those 2 inner covers, these 2 bodies, and the big one, the big body, and the smaller, but it does not come with a cover. I went ahead and ordered a nice insulated cover. You can get a lesser cover, but I recommend insulated cover. So that's what you need to begin with. Then, and not too long, in middle of May or so, we'll be adding, taking one of the colonies of bees and moving them over into a 5-frame nuke box, and through the magic of bees, and you'll see, we'll move a queen over and we'll move in not too long a time, folks. We'll take some bees from the other side, one side, and move them to the other, and we'll make another colony of bees. So at that point, we'll have 1, 2, 3 colonies of bees, and we'll have this one well established, and they'll start doing very well in there, and you'll add on this 5-frame nuke deep up on top of this one, and you got yourself a neat little mini beehive. And these things work like a charm, and the whole purpose of this project is so that you, the small person maybe, the whatever, you're a little bit frail or something's causing you to need small equipment. You'd love to do bees, but you want to do small equipment, this is what you do. And also, and this is not about large honey production. This is about 10, 20, 30 pounds of honey or something, but that's a nice amount of honey to get. And for a lot of single people or couples or something, it'd be all you need for a year. So anyway, so that's those. None of those come with frames. So here's the frames down here. These are deep. You got to have the deep frame with. Well, I got these deep frame with plastic foundation, folks. This is bee language. Deep is the deep boxes. There's medium, which are shorter boxes. Let me do it that way, shorter boxes. And there's even a really small boxes, but don't worry about this. This is all in the Langstroth hives. And if you don't know about those, look them up on the net. There's lots about it. So anyway, back to it. These are the black foundation with heavy wax. Why black? Because I'm figuring a lot of the people starting this project haven't done bees before, and one of the primary things you want to learn in doing bees is how to see eggs. And a lot of that, hey, comes from the fact that most of us started with this yellow or white foundation stuff, and to see white, pearly white bee eggs against that is hard. And you got to get it in the light and twist and tilt it and stuff. With the black, you can see the eggs really easy, and it will then you can switch to other colors of foundation and you'll be okay. I ordered them all, 20 of them black. You don't have to do that, but and why did I get 20? Because you need some extras. So just go ahead and get 20. So all of that together is going to run you $273.35. For me, to where I live here in Maine, the shipping was $44.39. That brought it up to $317.74. You're going to have to spend $250 to $300, somewhere in that range, for your 2 packages of bees. You could do nucleus things of bees, which is a 5 frame. Actually, it's one of those right there. Just not that nice. And you could do that and start it that way as well, but the package bees will do this fine. And so there you go. That's what you need to order. As I said, not affiliated with BetterBee.com. You might be able to find every bit of this stuff elsewhere, but I needed some place to make an example for you. And then in the other videos, I'll be showing you, how to put the bees in and that. But for right now, this isn't so important as getting your bees. But it is now February, so by the time you order this and get it in and all that, and get it set up and find a place to put it and all that, you will. You need some time, so go ahead and order your stuff. Oh yeah, I wanted to say if we added up and said $300 for the bees, so now that would be about $617. You've still got way over $300 left to buy yourself a jacket, a hood, the face covered net, and veil. It's called the bee veil. I got it. Some gloves, smoker gloves, and a hive tool. About all you need, and you're still way under $1,000 for a really cool hobby that's going to help the environment. And you're probably going to get some honey out of this deal. So it's all great. So, and also this is to combat the thing I've always heard people say, for the first year of beekeeping, you're just going to take care of the bees. You're not going to get any honey. You can get some honey this way, for definitely. And anybody can lift this equipment, so it's really great. You'll love it. Bye-bye now. Oh, I forgot. Click, like the video, subscribe to the page. That helps. That activity on these videos helps other people be able to find these videos, and we can get more people doing this project. So thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye now.